Good morning.
Morning.
Sun is shining here in Spain.
It's mad.
It is, isn't it?
We've got our jackets on, but not being too brave.
So we got here yesterday afternoon and a fairly simple check-in process, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad.
Need cash.
Well,
Did we?
yeah. I'll tell you a little bit about that later when I show you around the campsite. But this morning we're going to go off for a little walk along the seafront, which is literally 5 minutes, isn't it?
Yeah.
From where we've parked.
Uh-huh.
We did have a wander last night. Obviously it's out of season and everything is shut.
Yeah. And it's holiday today as well.
But that's not, yeah, don't bother us with it all being
No.
closed. Just have a little stroll. We found a Carrefour, so we managed to get some beer for last night.
Oh my God, it was so cheap.
It was,
So cheap.
which was really important. We've got some left.
Yeah.
Maybe I might go and get a few more for later because it is Friday and the sun is shining.
Yeah.
So, right, let's get down to the seafront
Yep.
or the beach, whatever you want to call it.
Walk around the Bay of the
Bay of Roses.
yeah.
Our campsite is literally up that road there. 5 minutes, Hannah.
Yep.
And there's the beach. So
Awesome.
it's really convenient.
Yep.
It's a really convenient place to park. Obviously, most of the places are all shut.
I think 99% of the places are closed.
Yeah, there is a cafe there open. Look.
Yeah.
But there's a Lidl and there's a Carrefour supermarket. I'd say they're both within walking distance. It took us 10 minutes to walk to Carrefour last night, didn't it?
Yeah.
From the campsite.
Straight down the road, wasn't it?
And you do pass it on your way in. And so it's not as if there's nothing.
No.
Not as if you can't get anything. But
Here we go.
here we are, we're on the beach.
Roses Bay.
Yeah. Sun's shining this morning.
Oh, it's high in the sky as well.
Yep,
Wow, look at it.
beautiful. Spain in December.
That's crazy.
And it's just fun. It's fantastic for us because we've literally just driven this.
Yeah.
We've brought our motorhome here.
yeah.
You know,
Our
wasn't
20-year-old motorhome.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ford Transit.
So you've got her up to 70.
Ford Transit with no rust.
Yeah.
She's got us all the way here. She didn't miss a beat.
No. Shall I get over?
She didn't miss a beat.
Come on, girl. You can have a run.
And Isla's enjoying it as well. Look.
Yeah. Isla. Good girl. Where's it?
Look at it. Beautiful. Isla's in her favourite place.
She is. She loves the beach. Come on. Come on.
You know, to many people, right, this might just be a, yeah, so what? Because I know there's loads of people on YouTube that do this every year, and obviously people that are not on YouTube that do this every year, come to Spain and in the motorhomes and vans and things with their dogs. But when you're doing it for the first time,
I know.
for
On
the
the spur of the
first time,
moment.
on the spur of the moment, and having, you know, even having Isla with us as
I
well,
know.
it's just like, it's a wow moment,
It is for us, isn't it?
isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, you don't know what it's like until you experience it for the first time. Yes, we go on holidays on planes and things, but we've never driven to Spain,
No. No.
never brought Isla to Europe.
She's seen loads, isn't she?
Yeah. So it is a big moment for us,
Definitely.
a massive moment for us.
I think you can tell that by our smiles.
Definitely,
Yeah, absolutely.
definitely. found ourselves a supermarket
Yeah.
and got Anna a couple of oranges and something to go with them.
Sangria. I like that sangria as well. I've
Has
had
to
that
be done.
before.
Has to be done, doesn't
Yeah.
it? So,
Just need some ice.
yeah.
Never mind.
Never mind. Never mind.
No, fine.
But you can see even down the side streets, everywhere shut at the moment.
You can imagine in the summer, couldn't you? It's buzzing.
Yeah, absolutely. So, closed everywhere.
Oh, there's some doors on the front open.
Oh yeah, there's a couple of cafes on the front
Yeah.
that were open. So, but hey, I don't care.
It's cheap. Burger $7.50.
Yeah, it's not
That's a
bad
menu.
actually, is it? Yeah,
No,
yeah.
that's pretty cheap. Oh, little shops.
Little side streets. Oh, you know what we need, Anna? A
Sticker.
sticker.
Yes. Need to get one before.
Let's see if we can get one in here. Look.
Ugh, what's that? Ayla, come on.
So there are a couple of more livelier places, aren't they?
Yeah.
Aren't they? A bit further down, just off the beachfront.
I know, yeah.
This street
The big
and that
tree.
street there, where the big tree is a bit more livelier. A few shops open. It's much quieter down the end where we're stopping.
Isn't it?
It's a nice walk down
Oh,
though.
it is, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lovely walk down. It's only about 20 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah.
Well, there's all the parakeets again.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely warmer. I can feel the sun.
Oh, I'm
See
sweating.
the sun behind us as well.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's really
Isn't it?
warm, isn't it?
Yeah. This is wind down time,
Yeah.
isn't it?
We're going to have a
Absolutely.
couple of days here, aren't we? Just to wind down and
Yeah.
chill out and enjoy. Enjoy this journey we're on.
Oh. Yep. Well, when in Spain and the sun's shining,
Yeah.
December,
Cheers.
and I'm in shorts and t-shirt.
I know.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Nice.
That was a nice beer in the sunshine.
That was nice, wasn't it? Nice sangria as
Yeah.
well.
Now time back to the van and drink our own beer.
Yes.
This bloody bag on my back's making some noise. Well, that was a decent walk.
That was really good.
Yeah.
It was 3.6 miles.
Yeah.
Well, not too bad.
You can see it's a little bit quieter up this end where we are
That's fine.
compared to further down. But it's well worth the walk.
Oh yeah. It's boiling. It's so warm.
Nice little beer as well on the way back.
Yeah.
Now there's sangria.
I know. Tasty.
We're just about to come into the campsite where we're stopping. So we'll show you that. It's called Auto Caravanning Park here in Roses.
It's on pop tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, we paid €16 per night. And then it's
€4 for electric.
another €4 for your electric. I'd say the guys are friendly enough, but they're not overly helpful, to be quite honest. But, so as you come in, you've got your entrance here, and then your check-in's on the right there. They do help you to check in, but yesterday when we checked in, the card machine wasn't working. And he wanted us to pay by cash, which is fine, but he wouldn't let us in or go onto the pitch.
Hi. So we had to go and
Until
get
we'd
cash.
paid, which I suppose is fair enough.
You can pick your
but
pitch though as well.
yeah, so we went and got our cash anyway, came back and then had to go through the old check-in process again. But there's all your...
You wanted to park over there, didn't you? You wanted to park over there.
Yeah, but for some reason he didn't put us over there, didn't let us pick those pictures.
It's fine.
But anyway, there's your waste disposal, your fresh water, check-in point. There's 2 showers, 2 toilets. They turn the water off at 8 o'clock at night.
I know.
So,
That's a bit
until 9
weird.
o'clock in the morning, which is a
weird.
bit strange, but there we go.
We're in the sun there.
That's where we are,
Yep.
parked up. But it's convenient.
It's nice. It's alright.
Yeah, it's nice as well.
Yeah.
So,
There's cats.
and there's
Black
cats.
3 black cats around.
This is us. So gonna get the chairs out, sit in the sun and drink a beer.
That sounds good to me.
Hello. We'll have some friends as well, look. Hello. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Hello.